Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 1st, 2023. I am here at Ortega River Marina, and this is an after video for Bella. Before we go and check out the hull, there are a few zincs on here that I just want to note. On the shaft, there is a 1 1/4 inch shaft and a spot for a 1 1/4 inch shaft zinc. Then on the starboard side of the rudder, there are 2 hull zincs. So we'll go ahead and we'll check those out, and we'll check out that spot where the shaft zinc can go. All that, let's go ahead and check out the rest of the hull.